How to enable disappearing messages on Facebook Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable disappearing messages on Facebook Messenger. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just choose the chat where you want to enable disappearing messages to. And now here, once you're inside the conversation, just tap on the person's name at the top of the screen to open the chat settings. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you simply have to scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as disappearing messages. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section you will see that it's currently turned off. So here to turn it on, you simply have to tap on 24 hours option to turn it on. And here after enabling it, the message sent in the chat will automatically disappear after a certain period of time, such as 24 hours depending on the selected settings. And that's it. That's how you can enable disappearing messages on Facebook Messenger. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.